So let's look at the first one. Determine the type of relation it is. Y equal negative 5 to the power of x. What is it? Exponential. And how do you know that? So how do you know it's exponential? Because your exponent is a variable, right? Because it's to the power of x. That means your exponent is a, and this is how you know exponential. Your exponent has to be a variable. Okay? How about the second one? What do you say about the second one? Quadratic. And how do you know that? Degree 2. Okay, how about the last one?
I think it might be like that.
You think so?
I just have a feeling.
And why is that?
I don't know.
Just because that's the only option left? Yeah? No, it's a degree 1. You can't give me that's the last option, okay? It's degree 1. Okay. Are we okay with this so far? So if I give you an equation, you look at it, you should be able to tell me which one it is. We're good? All right. Now, table of value. The problem with this table of value, it's not filled out. So we have to fill it out. Okay. Ew. Okay. So x is the value that of x is given to you. The y, the equation is 3 to the power of x. Can you tell me, guys, already if this is, what is it? It's exponential because look at the equation. But let's do the math because they want us to do the math. We can't just say, well, it's right there. Okay? So 3 to the power of negative 2. What do you get? Because I replaced x with a negative 2. What do you get?
Wait, 3 to the power of negative 2?
Mine's saying 0.1. Is it going crazy? 3, 2.
Negative 9. No.
Yeah, 1 over 9, which is 0.1. Is there a 0.1? 1 over 9?
Why is it 1 over 9? Yes, you do.
Oh, yes, we know this.
Yes, you do know this. Come
It's
on.
a negative exponent.
Negative exponent. So what do I do with the base?
You flip it.
Flip the base, make it positive. So if I have 3 to the power of negative 2, that's the same thing as writing 1 over 3 to the power of 2. This is what we learned yesterday, right? We flip the base. Your base is over 1 here. So flip it, becomes 1 over 3 to the power of 2, which is 1 over 9. If I have 3 to the power of negative 1, what does that mean?
That
Flip
means
it.
1 over
1 over
3.
3 to the power of 0, don't put it in the calculator. Anything to the power of 0 is?
1.
1. So 3 to the power of 0 is 1. 3 to the power of 1 is? 3. 3 to the power of 2, I'm telling you, my accent is 3 to the power. Steve was just telling me to repeat that word because he doesn't like the way I say it. Because I roll the R. What can I do? 3 to the power of 2 is?
9.
9. Off topic on the video. Perfect.
Oh.
All right. Now, this is the hard part, and I think I want you to use a calculator for this. How do I find the first ratio?
Divides.
divide. y2 divided by y1. Okay? So on the calculator, you're going to enter this. Eyes on me, please. Unless you have a fraction, which is good. If you don't, this is what you're going to enter on the calculator. So you're going to divide 1 over 3 by 1 over 9. So on the calculator, you're going to enter 1 divided by 3, and then bracket divided by 1 divided by 9. Okay? To find your first ratio. You have the fraction button, it's much easier.
Yeah, so 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 9, right? 3.
Yep. Should be. Should be. So if you do. So it should be 3. Okay. Now divide 1 by 1 over 3. So 1 divided by 1 over 3. That's what you're going to enter in the calculator. 3. What's 3 divided by 1? You don't need to enter that in the calculator. 3 divided by 1? 9 divided by 3?
3.
Did I expect that? Did I expect that my first ratio to be 3?
Yes.
Why?
Because of your variable.
Because of my, it's not called variable, what is it called?
Base.
The base, the base, the base. Okay? So, what can you tell me about this? Is it exponential or is it, so, complete each table, determine whether a relation is exponential, give a reason for your answer. Is it exponential?
Yes.
Because, say it, first ratio is constant. You guys have to write these sentences. If you write it's constant, I would say what is constant? Well, you're going to have to write the full sentence. Okay? I'm going to let you do the second one later, so I'll leave you with the second one to do later. Okay? Have fun with it. Even if you're going to do it with fraction, I'm okay with that. With decimal, I mean. Okay? Let's look at this so I can leave you with that. All right. What can you tell me about the first graph? Examine each graph, determine the type of relation it represents, give a reason for your answer. What can you tell me about the first one? Quadratic. Because it's a parabola. What type of functions I have? Exponential. And how do you know that?
One side almost horizontal.
Horizontal on one side, yeah.
So basically, can I increasing or decreasing? I still remember give them off 5.
Yep, an increase and a fast increase. Okay, something like this where you say that it's horizontal on one side and then it's a fast increase on the other side. Okay, so I want to know both. Okay, here's the thing. Your next